Looking for a phone under 10,000 rupees that actually feels premium? The Moto G35 might just surprise you. It's powered by UNISOC T8100 5G chipset, built on a 6nm EUV process with a 76 quad-core architecture. That means smoother multitasking, better power efficiency, and solid gaming performance. UNISOC is top 3 company in mobile chipsets. They secured a 13% market share in global smartphone society chip shipments. Smartphones powered by UNISOC chips also include Itel, HMD, Lava, Nubia, Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, Realme, etc. We tested games like BGMI and Free Fire Max. And even in our Curry Heat Challenge, where we played inside a hot kitchen at 45 degrees Celsius, the phone stayed cool and responsive. No lag, no overheating. Now let's talk numbers. On Antutu, this phone scored around 4,72,000. Seriously impressive at this price point. That's better than many phones costing several thousand more. The display is another highlight. A 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. We even tried the Sorry Light Lab test to check brightness, and thanks to its 1000 nits peak brightness, it stayed perfectly visible even under bright light. For audio lovers and gamers, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack and stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. The sound is loud and immersive. In our simulated market noise test, the AI noise reduction kept call quality crystal clear. On the camera front, it features a 50 megapixels main camera and an 8 megapixels secondary sensor. But the magic happens through UNISOC VivaMagic imaging engine and 3.2 TOPS NPU, which enhance photos and support up to 4K video recording. Selfies, motion shots, and even backlit portraits came out surprisingly well. We tried a Holy-style motion test, and the AI handled fast movement with no blur. Multitasking is smooth, from watching videos to editing photos and switching between apps. The overall experience is very responsive. The Moto G35 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day, even with gaming, video streaming, and social media use. And with 18-watt fast charging, it's fully charged in decent time. It's not just efficient because of the big battery, but also thanks to the power-saving 6nm chip inside. Now let's talk about the one downside: software updates. The Moto G35 only promises 1 year of guaranteed updates, so if you want long-term Android support, keep that in mind. But if performance, display, sound, and camera matter more to you, this phone is a real winner under 10,000 rupees. To wrap it up, great performance, 4,72,000 and Antutu score, smooth 120Hz display, stereo sound, strong cameras, and real-life durability. So this device is great deal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews right here on the channel.